Good morning, my lovely K3B students. How's everyone's doing? How was your reading? I felt very happy because most of you can read the story, The Magic Show last Thursday. And also, it's amazing with Sachin, Rana, Dawin, and most of you can read already, okay? Just a little practice every day, okay? So you can play, but you have to set time also for your reading, okay? So before we start, I want to read for you one inspirational quote here. He said, the writer said, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. Okay? So it's good that you start your reading as early age so that you can read a lot of books. Okay? So we'll come back to a new lesson today. Alright, so our lesson today is ending sounds and the combination of NG and NK, okay? So here, you can see your book. There are only 9 words there, okay? 9 in NJ sound and NK sound, but I add more words so that you can practice the word that's not easy or the difficult words, okay? Anyway, I'm going to teach you how to read them later. Okay, so before we proceed to our new lesson, are we going to review the words that we learned last Tuesday, okay? So here, the ending sound ch, and sh. Okay, so look at here first, then later I will ask you to read page 205. You have to listen carefully, okay? So try to identify if the word is long sound or short sound. So some of you is still confused with the word crunch, much, and punch, and also lunch and bunch. Okay, so it is not bunch, but it is ba. It is lunch, crunch, much, punch. Okay, please listen carefully. Chew, batch, catch, hatch, match, patch, watch, and fetch. For chew, beach, bunch, lunch, crunch, much, punch. Shh, ash, dash, mash, wash, dish, fish. Okay? So I will call your name later. Okay, so our lesson today is the ending sound and NK. Alright, so look at this. What do you observe in this column? Alright, so there are only short sound here. Okay? And we use only the vowel blend, and we integrate with the ending sound NG. Okay, so this is a bit easy. Bang, hang, sang, king, ring, wing, among. Gong, yang. This one is a long sound. Okay. Abiding, amazing, arising, lying, flying, wrong, swing, string, sting, sling, going, and doing. Okay? Again, bang, hang, sang, king, ring, wing, among, gong, young, abiding, amazing, arising, lying, flying, wrong, swing, string, sting, sling, going, doing. NK, ending sound of NK. Here are the vowel blends, okay? Bank, rank, tank, king, ling, pink. Okay, these are the consonant blends. look at here. So try to remember the lesson that we had learned about consonant blends. Think, blank, blink, brank, chunk, plunk, plunk, skunk, spank, drunk, sprung, strung, thank you. Okay, one more. Bank, rank, tank, king, link, pink. Consonant blends here. Think, blank, blink, brank, chunk, plunk, plunk, skunk, spank, drunk, sprung, strung, thank you. Okay? So, please read by yourself. I will be back for your activity later. Okay, how are you kids? How was your reading? Is it good? Are you ready for reading? Alright, this video I'm going to give you your activity 1, activity 2, and activity 3. Okay, please listen carefully. Alright, here is the instructions. Okay, so let's read again this one for these words ending sound ng, nk for your activity number 3. Okay, so here, so that you will not be confused later, let's read again ending sound ng and ending sound nk. Okay, bang. Look at the word bang, it is ng, and here also there is nk. Okay, ba and nk, ba and ng, don't be confused. Okay, so look at the ending sound carefully. Okay, so bang, hang, sang, king, ring, wing, among, gong, young, abiding, amazing, arising, lying, flying, wrong, swing, string, sting, sling, going, and doing. Here also you can see that the ending sound nk and yes and ng almost the same sound. Okay, bank, rank, tank, kink, link, pink, think, blank, blink, brank, chunk, plunk, plunk, skunk, spank, drunk, sprung, strung, and thank or thank you. Okay, for activity 1, the task 1 and task 2, so I put together already. Okay, so you can see your activity 1 or task 1 and task 2 at page 210 to 211. Okay, so refer to this picture dictionary. Okay, so try, if you don't know the picture here, you don't know what is gong, try to see what is gong in this picture dictionary. Okay, if you don't know what is robe, you can see robe here, and also relate the pictures on the left. Okay, number 1, I'm going to read for you. Bang the gong. Bang the gong. Bang means you are going to strike the gong to make sound. Okay? Bang the gong. Number 2, hang the king's robe. Hang the king's robe. Where is robe? You're going to match. Okay? Number 3, the bell rang long. The bell rang long. Where is the bell? Okay? The bell rang long. Number 4, 6 sons. 6 sons. Sons are boys. Okay? 6 sons. Sad, sick boy. Where is the sick boy? You feel sad. Even you, if you get sick, you feel sad. Okay, number 6, send the second best. Second best is a player who won the second place. Okay. Then sack of sand. Sack of sand Okay, so look at here, the picture dictionary. We are going to read the words here, and if you don't know the meaning of the word, you are going to refer to the picture dictionary. Okay, here is 6 sons, second best, sand, sick, gong, bell, robe. Okay, so if you finish this, you're going to show to me for your score. Okay, this is task 1 and task 2. Okay, for the task number 3, here, check if the pair of words rhymes. Cross out if not. Okay, what is rhymes? Okay, so rhyming words means the same sound. Okay, for example, the word sing and also the word ring. Okay, so they rhymes together because they have the same sound. NG, the same here, NG. Okay, so they have the same sounds. You are going to check. Alright? For example, if the word sink and also the word sing, look at the ending sound. Okay? Are the two words here are the same? Are they rhymes together? It is not, so you are going to cross out or write letter X. Okay? For here, I will read for you. Number 1, bang, hang. Number 2, bank, rank. Number 3, wing, wink. Number 4, going, doing. Number 5, slang, skunk. Number 6, sing, sink. Gong, long. Kink, king. Wrong, sunk. Flying, lying. Do you understand or no? Okay, again, you are going to check if the pair of words rhymes or the same. Cross out if not. Okay, let's answer number 1. Okay, I will give you example. Number 1, bang, hang. So the word bang and hang, they have the same sound because the ending sound is NG, bang, and also here NG, so they have the same sound. Okay, so you're going to write check. Okay, so the rest of this you are going to answer by yourself. Okay, so try to analyze and try to read the word properly so that you can get the correct answer. Okay, enjoy your activity 1, activity 2, and activity 3. Alright, then I'll give you 15 minutes to finish your activities. Alright, so I'll be back after a few minutes. Okay kids, for the last video, I'm going to give you your homework. Okay, so listen carefully. So number 1, read your notebook. Ending sound, NG and NK. Okay, so this one, you're going to read these words. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to guide you in reading here. And number 2, read your book at page 205. So at page 205, there are few words there and they are easy to read. Okay? So and for number 3 homework, write the correct beginning sound, beginning consonant blends. Okay? At page 212. Okay? So look at the pictures very well. So you should not forget those words. Okay? So practice your reading every day, okay? And see you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you for today, and please read tomorrow, okay, I will give you 20 points for your reading at page 205 and your book, your copy with your book, okay? So here, thank you for today and good luck. Bye-bye.